Atlanta early morning commuters trying to beat the rush may find themselves hitting a new snag this morning on the downtown connector due to a toxic chemical spill. As of 3 a.m., the Georgia Department of Transportation reported all 6 northbound lanes of the downtown connector, I-75-85 NB, at 10th Street were being diverted at the Peachtree Pine Street Exit, 249B, due to an accident involving an overturned tractor-trailer and another vehicle. Now lane closures have expanded to southbound I-75 traffic, which is being held at the Northside Drive / Howell Mill Road exit, 252. Southbound I-85 / Buford Spring Connector traffic is also being diverted to northbound I-75. Atlanta Fire said this area of the interstate will be closed for approximately 6 hours.
Yeah.